Alright guys, doing the random for break 292. This is AL/NL break for baseball bat. We're doing the AL first. You got Dane Austin on top, Trevor Nelson on the bottom, Baltimore Orioles on top, Toronto Blue Jays on the bottom. 5 or greater, guys. 7. A lot of 7s tonight. Last round. Toronto Blue Jays on top, Seattle Mariners on the bottom. Alright guys, back with 292 National League. Arizona Diamondbacks on top, Washington Nationals on the bottom. 5 or greater. 7 again. Final round. Good luck, guys. We got Mets on the top, Atlanta Braves on the bottom.